Hi, everybody. So today we're gonna work on construction number 4, which I have right here. Let's look at this picture. It's about constructing perpendicular to a line through a point that's on the line. All right, and it looks like we have our point A on line L, and then we make a circle around A and mark the two intersections over here. And then we make circles around B and around C, and then mark their intersection up here and call that D. And then that gives us a perpendicular line through AD. All right, so let's go to GeoGebra and we'll hit geometry. And we're all signed in, but we need a clean slate here. So move this and move that. More. Okay, so we're ready to start. All right, so we'll begin with a line. All right, and I will set it up like this. And we need a point that's on the line. So I'll use my move tool. And I'll pick A as my point. Okay. I'm going to put another point that's on the line. Let's do point on object. Okay. And let's call what if we hit move? Can I change this? I want to call this point B. Okay, so I'm going to make a circle around point A where the intersection of that circle on the other side is point C. Okay. And they're calling it D, so we're going to have to change that. Move. And I'm going to call this C. Okay, so now we can make circles around C and B, and their intersections will end up netting us the perpendicular line. All right, so let's go back to compass. And we'll click C, B, then I'll put that circle on C, and then C, B, and I will put that circle on B, and then I'll mark this intersection up here. Okay, and I'm gonna have to change that letter to D. So I'll hit move. Call this D. Okay, so now I can make another line, and it turns out that AD is perpendicular. All right, so now I can move B in and out. I can move A around. And we're going to say that this is a right angle, but first I need to measure things. So I'll measure that angle, and I'm going to measure DAC so that my right angle mark shows up on the left-hand side. And that will make things a little bit easier for us to see. But I'm good to go there. So I have finished this assignment, but I need to sign it, screenshot, and save it. So first let's position this so it's a little bit easier for us to see. There you go, right here in the middle. All right, so sign it. Bold and italics. And type in my name. And screenshot it. And save it. Oh. There it goes. All right, so save it. And this is going to be GG construction.
It's 4 o'clock.
Number 4. There's my share link. Say copy. We'll go to our template. Oh, here's my template. And our title is construction number 4. And our plan, can't remember that plan because that was a long plan. Construct a perpendicular to a line through a point on the line. All right, so construct a perpendicular to a line through a point on the line. All right, so that's a long one, but our given was point A on line L. And so point A on, now here's the problem. I didn't call this thing line L. So we're going to have to say this. We could say point A on line AB, right? And I think that's what we're going to have to do so that it matches our picture, right? Because that's of key importance. Point A on line AB. Okay, so our final statement, and let's look at our detail sheet. It says line AD is perpendicular to line L. All right, so it'll be, here's our picture again. So we'd say line AD is perpendicular to line AB. All right. So line AD is I can do lowercase perpendicular to line. Keep this lowercase line AB. Okay, so then we can add our screenshot. All right, and that totally works. So we are good to go. And we'll see you on the next one. All right.